Hey everyone, welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make informed buying decisions. Today, we have an exciting comparison for you in the world of robot vacuums. We'll be taking a closer look at two top contenders in the market, the Eufy BoostIQ RoboVac 11S Max and the Shark AI Ultra 2-in-1 robot vacuum and mop. This comparison is based on online reviews and feature comparisons. Let's dive in and see which one comes out on top in various categories. The Eufy BoostIQ RoboVac 11S Max comes in at an affordable $249, making it a budget-friendly option for those looking to automate their cleaning routine. On the other hand, the Shark AI Ultra 2-in-1 robot vacuum and mop is priced at $699, positioning itself as a premium choice in the market. When it comes to performance, both robot vacuums have impressive features to offer. The Eufy BoostIQ RoboVac 11S Max boasts incredible suction power, allowing for deep cleaning performance. With its BoostIQ technology, it automatically increases suction power when it detects the need for extra cleaning strength. Additionally, it operates quietly and can vacuum for up to 100 minutes on hardwood floors. On the other hand, the Shark AI Ultra 2-in-1 robot vacuum and mop takes performance to the next level with its powerful suction and sonic mopping capabilities. It's not just a vacuum, it's also a mop, making it a versatile cleaning tool for your home. With its Matrix Clean technology, it ensures that no spots are missed, delivering superior carpet cleaning. It also features Clean Edge Detect, which effectively cleans edges and corners. Moving on to features, the Eufy BoostIQ RoboVac 11S Max comes equipped with an anti-scratch tempered glass top cover for protection, an infrared sensor for evading obstacles, and drop sensing technology to avoid falls. It also has the convenience of automatically recharging, so it's always ready to clean. With the included remote control, you have easy control over its functions. Meanwhile, the Shark AI Ultra 2-in-1 robot vacuum and mop offers a range of features to enhance your cleaning experience. It has a HEPA filtration system that captures and traps dust and allergens, making it a great choice for those with allergies. The self-emptying base can hold up to 60 days of dirt and debris, and it even self-charges when low on battery. The Precision Home Mapping feature allows it to navigate your home efficiently, adapting to changes in its environment. If you have pets, you'll want a robot vacuum that can handle their messes effectively. The Eufy BoostIQ RoboVac 11S Max does a commendable job with its powerful suction, ensuring that pet hair is picked up efficiently. However, the Shark AI Ultra 2-in-1 robot vacuum and mop takes it a step further with its self-cleaning brush roll and the ability to tackle stuck-on pet stains. It's an excellent choice for homes with furry friends. Overall, the Eufy BoostIQ RoboVac 11S Max is praised for its cleaning ability and reasonable price. Reviewers mention that it performs well on low-pile carpet, effectively picks up dirt and dust, and has a long-lasting battery. Some improvements are suggested, such as an interlock on the dustbin and the ability to adjust power levels during manual cleaning. On the other hand, the Shark AI Ultra 2-in-1 robot vacuum and mop receives positive reviews for its advanced features, including self-emptying base, litter mapping, and the ability to clean both carpets and hard floors. Reviewers appreciate its convenience and performance, although some mention the need for regular filter cleaning. Ultimately, both products have their strengths, and it depends on your specific needs and budget. And there you have it, a comparison between the Eufy BoostIQ RoboVac 11S Max and the Shark AI Ultra 2-in-1 robot vacuum and mop. Both products have their strengths, with the Eufy RoboVac offering affordability and reliable performance, while the Shark AI Ultra brings advanced features and pet-friendly capabilities to the table. Ultimately, the choice depends on your specific needs and budget. We hope this comparison has helped you in making a more informed decision. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more product comparisons. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Stay smart and buy smart.